Welcome back, everyone. Let's briefly do a quick introduction about our basic tags and elements in our HTML code. So, we'll launch our TrebeDit editor. So, as we have created our first HTML file, and we'll open the my first code.html, and it's going to bring us to the editor interface. So, I'm going to click on this HTML snippet now. Now, can you see it have generated our basic HTML tags for us for website development? You can see the doc type HTML. This doc type HTML, it is a newly invented uh, code that is used for HTML. As we all know that HTML5 is not long that they invented that it came about. So this doc type is going to tell your the computer to read your code that this code is HTML5, HTML version 5. Had it been before? So we will start by from this HTML, this ordinary HTML. So, but because of the advance in coding, so that is why we come about the HTML5. They have incorporated it with our website development. So the doc type HTML is indicating that our coding is based on HTML version 5. So that means it's going to open in all browser, whether you are using a laptop or you are using a smartphone, on any browser that you will want to open it, is going to accept and is going to open your code for you. So now we go to the HTML. As you can see, the HTML, which is the starting point. So the opening tag for HTML, this is the opening tag. As you can see, the less than bracket. So the less than bracket is the opening tag with the HTML inside. Then you close it back. Immediately you close it back, it's going to generate a closing tag for you. Now let me do it at fresh. You can see the title, the head, the body, and the closing tag of HTML. So let me quickly cancel all these things now, and you will understand what I'm saying better. So now let's start. Opening tag HTML. Immediately I close the tag, it's going to generate a closing tag for me. You will see it now. We're going to see it now. uh where is this thing? Oh, yeah. Can you see now it has generated a closing tag for me? So the HTML opening tag and the HTML closing tag. Then what I talked about a container the other time. A container means your opening tag together with everything that is inside it. Then at the end it will have a closing tag. Now, for example, now this HTML, now we have the opening tag as the first tag that will come. Then our closing tag for the HTML will be the one to be at the last, no matter how so long or how so far we want to code, no matter how so big our coding will be. This HTML closing tag will be the last thing to appear. So this one is to tell you that HTML itself is a container. So now after this HTML, I've dragged this one come down. Then we open our head tag. So let's type the head tag. So immediately I introduce the bracket close, it's going to generate a closing tag for the head. That is the work of the sweet work of coding. Now this one I'm dragging that too. So inside the head, you can see inside the head, that is when we have our title. Now let me show you something first. Save. Let me view it. Can you see this browser now? You can see that there is nothing inside this browser, and at the top here you can see my first code. Is it my first code? HTML. Immediately I input the head tag and I give it a title. It's going to change that. So the title is actually the main let me say the title of your maybe the title of a website like facebook.com so.com. That is where the title comes. So let's introduce the title. Close it. Now you can see I've opened the title. Now let me now type, or let's say, brain bell quotes. The name that you want to give your website, that is where you will insert the name. Let's view it and see. Can you see brain bell quotes? It has changed to brain bell code. That is to show you that this is the head of the website. That is the head, the title of the website. So that is where the name of the website would come, maybe so.com so.com. Okay, now that is for the head. So there are other things that we used to incorporate into the head, but it's for the advanced class, like I said. So now after we have incorporated our head, then let's go on, you know, to bring our body tag. Body. Immediately I close the body, it's going to generate a closing tag for me. That is the beauty of website designing, you know. Now inside this body is where we will do all activities that we want to display to our clients. You know, for example, now let's when you open a Facebook account, when you open a Facebook page, you know everything that used to come appear, the home, the search button, the likes, the all these things that used to display in the website is being typed inside the body. Let me show you the browser first. Can you see now that there is nothing in the body now? There is nothing in the body now. So let's now try to type something inside the body. You will see this is the body of our website. Save and open. You are going to see the magic now. You can see anything that you want to display to your clients that is coming to visit your website is typed inside the body container. So as you can see now, so all other things that we do that we want to display to our clients will be typed inside the body tag. All right, bye for now.